Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, let's embark on a spiritual journey to Mahakumbh. We will let you know about the Mahakumbh 2025, different types of Kumbh, how did Mahakumbh started, what is Shahi Snan, what is Kalpavas in Mahakumbh, key dates of the event, and some important notes. Mahakumbh, world's biggest event, is centered around the Triveni Sangam, where the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythological Saraswati rivers met at Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, amplifying its spiritual importance. Astrologically, the timing of Mahakumbh Mela is determined by the positions of celestial bodies, particularly Jupiter and the Sun. According to a release by the Ministry of Culture, on the opening day, festives will begin with the performance of Shankar Mahadevan. Further, Mohit Chauhan will close the event on the final day. To mark the occasion, the Culture Minister has established a dynamic cultural hub called Kalagram within the Kumbh Mela ground, showcasing the vibrant confluence of Indian art, culture, and heritage. Spanning 4,000 hectares, the space embodies a seamless fusion of India's rich cultural legacy and advanced organizational expertise. Now, let's know about different type of Kumbh. First, Magh Mela, an annual fair that attracts visitors from all over India. It features the simple yet sacred rituals of Ganga Snan. It is also known as Chota Kumbh. Second is Ardh Kumbh. It is held every 6 years. It takes place in Prayagraj and Haridwar. Last time it was held in 2019. Third, Purna Kumbh. It is celebrated every 12 years at 4 locations in India, that is Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain and Nasik. The last Purna Kumbh held in 2013 was also referred to as Mahakumbh. The location of Kumbh Mela is decided according to the specific planetary alignments. Fourth and the last one is Mahakumbh. It occurs once every 144 years after the completion of 12 Purna Kumbhs. It is regarded as one of the most powerful, auspicious and spiritually significant gatherings of its kind in decades. It is held at Prayagraj. Now let's know how the Mahakumbh started. It has its origin in Rig Veda, a text of Hindu scriptures. Its origin is linked to a mythological tale of war between gods and demons over a kumbh or pot of nectar that emerged during the churning of ocean. During the celestial battle for the elixir that spanned 12 days in divine time, equivalent to 12 human years, drops of the nectar fell at 4 places, that is Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nasik and Ujjain, which become the venues for the Kumbh Mela. Now let's know what is Shahi Snan. Shahi Snan or Royal Bath is a sacred ritual during the Kumbh Mela where millions of devotees immerse themselves in a holy rivers at auspicious time. This event is marked by elaborate processions led by spiritual leaders and Naga sadhus who are reversed ascetics. The Shahi Snan occurred on significant dates determined by the astrological alignments believed to enhance the spiritual benefits of bathing. Participants believe that taking part in this ritual cleanses sins and aids in attaining moksha or liberation from the circle of rebirth. Now let's know what is Kalpavas in Mahakumbh. During the Mahakumbh Mela, some of the most sincere devotees stay in spiritual retreats that are known as Kalpavas. They live for the whole 40 to 44 days in Mela and live a disciplined and minimalistic life. The Kalpavasis are expected to wake up early, take a dip in Triveni Sangam and spend a day with their gurus. Key dates of the events are Mahakumbh 2025 begins from January 13, 2025 on Paush Purnima. The Mahakumbh will end on February 26, 2025 on Mahasivratri. The key bathing dates are first, January 14, 2025, that is on Makar Sankranti. Second, January 29, 2025, that is on Mauni Amavasya. Third, February 3rd, 2025, that is on Basant Panchami. And fourth, February 12, 2025, that is on Maghi Purnima. Please note, the Kumbh Mela is listed by UNESCO on Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity in 2017. UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage from India includes 15 elements. The latest cultural heritage included in the list is Garba in 2023, which is traditional dance form of Gujarat. Ramlila is the first to be listed under Intangible Cultural Heritage of India list in 2018. That's all for today. For more such video, stay tuned with GS Nexus.